So making your home safe should be easy, right? That's why we're ditching our old wired smoke detectors and upgrading to X-Sense. I got the 3-pack wireless combo set. And check this out. These pop right over the holes the old ones left behind. Pretty convenient. But here's the best part. They're not just smoke detectors. They're carbon monoxide detectors as well. X-Sense now monitors our home for the 2 most dangerous things that can happen while a family sleeps: fire and the silent killer, carbon monoxide. All in one, well, 3 little sleek units. But hey, if 3's not enough, you can connect up to 24 of these. I mean, you could. I don't want to have to clean your house though. One of the best parts is that the X-Sense detectors are all interconnected. That means if one alarm goes off upstairs, all of the alarms go off throughout the whole house. That means everyone wakes up and everyone gets out safe. The LCD screen on these is awesome. It shows real-time CO levels and battery life. When speaking of battery life, 10 years you get with these. 10 years. Anyway, all I need to do is glance at the screen and I know everything's okay. We have one in the master bedroom, one in the hallway, and one in the kitchen. These units will link up together in seconds. Check this out.
All right, let's see if we can Bluetooth these bad boys. It says to start with 2 of them. Make sure that they're both on, which you do simply in the back here by switching that button right there to the on position. So I've done that to both of these. The next step is to hit the test and silence button on one of them 4 times quickly. You hear a beep and then it will flash red slowly. On the next unit, we're going to hit the test and silence button 2 times. It beeps. Well, that happened very quickly. I'm impressed. What happens is that one will beep and then it will start flashing quickly red like you may have seen. And then they talk to each other and pair up. We're going to turn the 3rd unit on. Now we're going to repeat the process, and it doesn't matter which one of these 2 we tap 4 times. We just need to tap one of these 4 times. It'll start looking, and then we'll take the 3rd one that we haven't attached yet. We'll hit it 2 times, and it should pair up rather quickly like it did previously. There we go. All 3 of them are paired up, Bluetoothed, and ready to go.
And don't worry about dead zones. They'll talk to each other within 800 feet. Installation for these was super simple. And trust me, when I say something was simple, it was simple. I put the new plate around the existing hole. I marked the holes and with a 1/4-inch drill bit, made my screw hole. I gently tapped into each hole an anchor plug. Then I simply screwed in the included mounting bracket. From there, it's a piece of cake. You grab the actual detector unit, push it against your mounting bracket, and turn it clockwise. It snaps right into place. Bam, you're done. I swapped all 3 of these out in our home in about an hour. Once they were up, I felt better immediately. Our grandson visits us every weekend, and knowing my family's safe, well, let's just say there's nothing more important. And you can't put a price tag on that.